Welcome to Happy English. Let's get better at listening and speaking. It will be fun and a little challenging. Let's start. Stir-fried green beans or dry-fried green beans is a popular Sichuan dish that transforms simple green beans into a flavorful, slightly crispy delight. The beans are fried at high heat until they start to blister, then seasoned with minced pork, Sichuan peppercorns, garlic, and sometimes preserved vegetables, adding layers of savory and spicy flavors. This method of cooking brings out the natural sweetness of the beans while infusing them with the rich, aromatic seasonings, making it a favorite side dish that's both healthy and indulgent. Join us on Happy English as we explore the world of international cuisine, uncovering the stories and flavors behind beloved dishes. Let's embark on a journey of language and gastronomy, celebrating the cultural diversity and richness of food from around the globe. Together, let's savor the joys of cooking, learning, and sharing delicious meals that unite us all.